Hello, boys and girls. We're going to do some science today. We are going to make a jellyfish out of a water bottle, a balloon, some food coloring, some string, and a grocery bag. So, what you need to do is first cut the handles, and then cut the bottom. We'll actually first go down the side and then down the center of the bottom. So it becomes one big sheet. Like this. Now for mine, I have words on this side, so I'm going to get rid of that half, because jellyfish don't have words on them. Alright, and now I have this to work with. I take this little extra chunk off too. There we go. Now, we're going to take this little balloon, but we're not going to fill it much. We only need a little bit of it filled. It's just a tiny bit. And you're going to tie the knot way earlier than you normally would. Oops, I didn't do that good. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, so now I got my tiny balloon. I'm going to cut it off the extra piece. And then I'm going to take my bag and put it over my balloon like that, and I'm going to tie a piece of string around the bottom. And you want to tie a knot, make sure it's good, and then we're going to cut that. Okay, then I got another little seam I don't like, so I'm going to cut that off. I don't want the seams left to the bag. All right, that looks okay. And I'll get one little seam left here. Okay. Then you're going to cut strips, just like a jellyfish. And you do want different lengths, so you can cut some shorter, some longer. Mine seems to be having that naturally, so it doesn't look like I have to do that too much from the way I positioned it on. But once you cut all the way around, okay, I'm almost to the end. Okay, like I said, we want different ends. If you want to cut a different shape, this is when you can do it. All right, and now I think we got a good jellyfish pattern going. Then we're gonna stick a little bit of food coloring in it to make the ocean. A couple drops is all you need. And then I got a nice blue color. If it's not blue enough for you, you just add a little more food coloring, but I think a couple drops makes a nice color. Now the hard part, to stick the balloon in here. Oh, and I don't see that's gonna work. They warned me about the size of the balloon, but they should have warned me about the size of your bottle cap. Luckily, I've got another water bottle that I can put this in and we can fit the balloon in. So let's freeze for a second and let me grab that bottle. All right, we're back. I got a bigger bottle. Pour this water into here. Okay. Oh, I might have poured too much in there. Gotta make room for the balloon. All right. Still gonna have a hard time shoving it in there, I think. But I think we can do it. Oh, but it is gonna overflow. Let's go to my sink. Got my dirty brushes in there from earlier today. All right, so we squish that in. Squish a little water out. And then, all right. Now, do we have enough in here? Hold on. I think I should have did it the other way. Might be hard to do now. Yes. Should have stuck the feet in first. So let's see if I can get it out. Oh, yay. All right, feet go in first. Legs, tentacles. Then the balloon, the body. There we go. And top it off. And as you can see, it rises. The jellyfish has air in the head. And so air is always lighter than water. And so it will always rise to the top. It would look better, I think, in a bigger bottle. There's another way to do this project. I'll show you real quickly. Another way to do this project is not to use air, but to use water. And what they do is you make a little hole like this, and you tie some string around it, but not too tight because you're going to want to put some water in it. So you only want it loose right now. And that's when we use this eye plunger. I'm going to use this water because it's up high, I can reach it. And we squeeze that water through the string and we fill it up. And I think this would work better for a smaller bottle. And then you're going to tie the string tightly. Super tight. And cut it. And make your stripes. I'm going to do just a quick job. Okay, and then you stick it in the bottle. See, this way it will fit in a smaller bottle. And make the tentacles a little bit less. And then we're gonna go fill it up. And we can compare the two jellyfish bottles and see which one you like more. So come with me to the bathroom one more time. All right, still the same problem that I need to put the tails in first. I thought that was because of the balloon. That's the first time I've made the balloon version of this. All right. And then it rises still up, even because the water is trapped in there. It's like a bubble. And so your jellyfish is still, will move up and down your bottle. And the bigger the bottle, the cooler it looks. So these are two different ways you can make it. The balloon method is nice because it's, I think, easier for kids, but I definitely think you need a tall bottle to make it look good, which might be hard to find. Where this one is a little bit easier, but it's hard for the kids to do themselves. And so that's why I tried this version today. So, because a lot of them cannot tie knots all on their own. But, so these are two different ways you can make a jellyfish in a jar. I hope you liked it, and see you next time.